This is it. This is where GodTCP's journey begins. And you know what? Before everything else, down here is some this is the Focusrite 2i2 third generation. I'm gonna be giving out these microphone interface for absolutely free. Plus the NT1A 5th generation right there. Plus the HPS 300 monitors. I'm gonna be giving out these two for absolutely free. But I'm not gonna be the one doing this. My parents will do this. You know, right now, I'm in Diani right now, but I wasn't born in Diani. I was born at a place called Meru County. So for this to happen, because I want my parents to be the ones that hands this to the person that makes the melody for GodTCP, it means I have to go there. So I'm gonna pack these devices, the HPS 300, the Focusrite 2i2 third generation, and the NT1A 5th generation. These items will be handed over to the person that makes the most amazing, or the ones that get nominated or approved by people out there to be GodTCP's melody. Alright, so I'm gonna pack these. I'm in Diani right now. The next time we're talking, or the next time you're watching a video from me, basically it's gonna be in Meru County, maybe 400 kilometers away from here, where my parents are. They're gonna be the ones that hands these to the person that makes a melody for GodTCP. Alright. See, there's really a microphone in here. It's not a joke. Right there. But someone might argue there's no mic in there. It actually is here. These have been my devices. But there it is. There it is. The mic is here. You know, this is not a little joke. You know, this is the cable. And down there is the mic itself, the NT1A 5th generation. But these will be handed over to somebody by my parents, my mom and dad, in Meru County. Meru County, Meru County, Meru County, okay. Alright. Let's do what you gotta do. And this is one take actually, I'm not repeating this. I like doing one takes, because one takes means there are no rehearsals. It's exactly what is coming out of my mind. There it is, the Focusrite phantom power. Because really, a Rode microphone, a condenser microphone, a lot of them, they need phantom power. This is why we're gonna have to give this to somebody so they don't struggle with that. And then there's those. So these will be handed over to somebody by my parents. That's the idea. So there they are. The box is still here. See, I like keeping my stuff safe. I still kept the boxes. Yep. So that's about it right there. That's about it right there. In there is the Rode NT1A 5th generation, the Focusrite 2i2 phantom power, and the HPS 300 microphone. This is the bundle that goes to the person that, weaves a melody for GodTCP. This is how this journey begins. So as I've said before, earlier, I'm in Tiani right now, and where I was born is in Meru County, which is many miles away. So I'm gonna have to go there, give this to my mom and dad to be the ones that deliver to the person that makes the melody that get, that people approve. Dennis M.K. Next time we're speaking, it's gonna be in Meru County, in a potato field or cornfield, whatever it is. All right. That's about it right there.